Okay, so today we're going to measure pH values of various liquids. We got orange juice, we got vinegars, we got coffee, we got half and half, we have tap water, we have seltzer water, and they're from the local store. And the device we're going to use is called a pH meter. This happens to be a very interesting one because it has Bluetooth connectivity to the iPad.
Or any device.
Or any device that has Bluetooth, because it'll even work on the phone. Okay, but before we got to get started, we're going to rinse off the electrode, because that's an electrode, right? And what we're going to do is calibrate the hydrogen values in solution. We have a 4, and we have, what's this one, a 7, Alex? 7.01. And there's a calibration routine. You want to hit the little control thing there, little gear. Okay, and there, hit the word calibrate. Okay, now you're going to take the first one. We're going to move this off the mark. Hold this up in there. Here, you can just hold it right up at,
Okay.
or pull it down. Or I'll pull it down. Okay, keep it there until it says it's looking. It's calibrating the probe. It's doing the first 4. Okay, it's looking at the probe. It's figured it out that it's a 4.0. Keep it in there.
Correct.
Yeah, you're doing good. Just keep it up in there. It's ready to acknowledge it. And then 1 second it's going to say confirm the buffer. It's stable, and we're going to confirm the buffer. Okay, hold on.
It's not.
Yeah, keep it up there. Oh, okay, I got it. Confirm. Okay, pull that one off.
I got
Put the cap on it. Go ahead, put your cap on.
A little. This time I'm gonna pull it down.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. And then
7.1, that's right.
yeah. Okay.
7.01.
I found it. All right. Now it's going to go through its motion. Waiting for a stable reading. It's got to get up to. It's going to take a minute or two to get up there, but that's how it is. Let's get it down in there a little better. Okay, yeah, you had it in there. That's good. Okay. Takes a little bit of time sometimes. And we can edit. When we edit this, we can edit things
Still
out.
waiting for stable.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, stable.
Hit the confirm. Okay. Alright. Save the calibration. Okay, so we have a 2-point calibration curve. Okay, how the buffer can be accepted? Why not? The current buffer has already... Okay, we'll just save it. Let's see if we can save it. Okay. Alright, okay, 706, okay. So now what we want to do is we want to pull this, let's pull this up, pull that out of there, put the cap on. Yep. And we want to rinse that buffer off. We'll just squeeze that a little bit. Here, squeeze it. Give it a good squeeze. There you go. Okay. Squeeze in the middle, Yep, there you go. It's usually a good idea to get that green electrode. Okay, good. I'll just shoot that electrode in there just a little bit so I get right in there. Okay, so now we've rinsed off. We can pull that to the side. And we're going to do our first. We're going to do our first solution, which is apple cider vinegar. All right, apple cider vinegar, Clara. Is that apple cider vinegar? Okay. Okay, push that down nice and gently. Okay, that's good. That's far enough.
When you said apple cider, I felt like drinking it.
Yep. Okay, so look at how low that one went. It went from 7 all the way down to 2 point, right? So I'm going to type here on our value here. That's how I think it. 2 point. What do you say? About 2.68.
2.68.
It's stable. Okay, 2.68. We'll put that on our table. I'll save that. Okay, we can pull the electrode out. Here, pull the electrode out, the probe.
Oh, clean it again?
Yeah. Yeah, well, you can put that to the side. I don't know if you can put it back in there. It's easier to get the other ones out. Get your, here's your beaker, cleaning beaker.
I'm gonna take this out.
No, let's do the other vinegar. Let's do the vinegars first.
Okay.
Actually, you don't even need to rinse because you're going to go from one vinegar to the next. They're pretty much the same, I think. Okay, push that down there nice and gently. Good.
2.61.
Yeah, so this one's maybe a little more acidic, a little more acid, right? More hydrogen.
2.60.
Right, it's got a little more hydrogen in there than the last one in solution.
Okay, it's stable, so it's 2.60.
Okay, so, okay. 0.60. Okay, you can pull that out. Now, I don't know where the balsamic vinegar is going to come in. Okay, put that right behind it. And you know, I am going to rinse this one a little bit because I don't know.
Oh, yeah, this is definitely vinegar.
Yeah, it's tasty. Comes from Moderno, Italy. Okay, put that down in. Go ahead. Yeah, it's a little tenuous. Okay. Alright, well, okay, so we went from 2.68 to what do we got here for a value?
3.415. It's still not stable, so it's stable.
Yeah, I would say 3.18. 318, so that one has less hydrogen. It's less acidic.
0.18?
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
3.19.
Yeah, that's good enough. We're just doing demonstration here. Okay, you can pull that out. Now, okay, get that under there. I'm going to give it a little rinse because we're coming up with, what do we do, the orange juices now?
Yep.
Yeah.
Orange juice.
Yeah, because we just did the vinegars. There was the
coffee.
the red wine vinegar, we did the apple cider vinegar, and we just did the balsamic, right? Everybody see the balsamic? Okay, balsamic.
I need to rinse it. Wait, did you just rinse it?
Yeah, I did, but you can hit it again. When in doubt, just hit it again. That's good. You got it. I think that's good enough. Because now we're going to just do orange juice, which is still acidic. I'm doing the acid ones first.
Which?
This one is, it's Tropicana.
And the other one is Florida's natural.
Yeah.
Orange
Okay.
juice, whatever.
Put the probe in. Let's see what we got. Let's see if this is acid. Typically orange juices are acidic, but we'll see. Ah, that's too far. You don't have to go that far. That's okay. What do we got for a value?
Well, it's still not stable, so let's see.
Well, it's in the 4 range somewhere,
Yeah.
right? Because we've gone from 268 to 26 to 318, and this one's probably going to be, what, 4 something?
I think it's exactly 4. It's nope, not that.
Still dropping.
399. Stable. It's 399. 399
Okay, 3.99.
dollars.
Okay, let's pull that one out. Now, I don't know if you got a rinse for the next orange juice, because they're probably going to be the same. Why don't you grab the next orange juice? Okay.
It's good.
Now, good scientific behavior would be to rinse. Good technique would be to rinse. But we're okay. We're trying to speed along a little bit. Okay. Okay, so let's see if that... Oh, this one's a little more...
4.7.
Yeah, it's a little higher. It has less hydrogen in solution. Less hydrogen.
This is the... Wait, is this the Florida's natural one?
Yeah, this is the Florida's natural. See? They're both no pulp. Okay, they're both no pulp. However, it looks like the Florida natural is less acidic. Maybe this one's better for the teeth. It doesn't dissolve your bone away. Right? Okay, so that's why they measure pH with food. Okay, so I'm thinking we're at 4.11. What do you think, Clara? Is that good?
4.11. 4.11. It's stable, yeah.
Okay.
Now for the next one.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go to milk. So let's rinse it.